guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Deirdre and my today's video is going to be all about me reacting to my Facebook pictures. So before we begin with this video, let me give you a small disclaimer that is these pictures were clicked in 2013, 14 and a few more years after that, so no judging.
Okay.
Secondly, there will be a lot of external noises, so please bear with me. And thirdly, this video is going to be a bit longer than the rest of my videos, so please watch it till the end. And the last fourth point is that if in case you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell icon so that you get notified every Sunday, and don't forget to share my videos to as many people as possible. Alright, so without further ado, let's start with this video. Now my first picture. Oh wow! Alright, so this is the first mirror selfie that I took with my 2 megapixel Samsung phone that I had.
Wow.
This small phone, okay? It neither had WhatsApp, no Instagram, nothing at that point.
Oh no!
Alright, but it used to click okayish pictures, and I don't know why I used to click pictures when even Facebook, if I had to operate Facebook, I had to use like Google Chrome to operate it.
Oh no.
Or I had to go to the cyber to operate it. But yeah, pretty good picture. I'm quite plump over there, if you all can see, alright. And I'm using my dad ka shaving time ka ahena, that is mirror. So if you see, like even the phone was not proper. I mean, अच्छा था, average का था phone,
Okay.
but the mirror also was not proper. So इसके बारे में मैं क्या ही कहूँ? Let me scroll and check some nice pictures, okay? Something less embarrassing, but no, the next picture is not less embarrassing at all. It is this.
What the hell?
हम तो गोला खा रहे थे. I do not know how did I manage to convince my parents to send me to this fair, but this was the Holy Spirit fair I remember, where I was eating my favorite Kala Katta Gola. And that reminds me, I still have the jacket. I wear the jacket, and also the top inside I still have that tank top. I still wear it.
Nice.
This is supposed to be my first fake candid. Alright. So the previous one was my first mirror selfie. This is my first fake candid. So
Oh my god.
next picture. Aww. Aww. Okay. It may be a good picture. That's why I uploaded it on Facebook.
LOL.
I'm so used to Instagram and I'm so used to YouTube that I've forgotten I was once on Facebook. And this was the first picture that I had clicked when I had joined my first year of college. That was Carmel College, and I got 2 comments for it. Let me see. Oh, you are beautiful. And I'm like, thank you. Yeah, also during our time I noticed that, you know, it was so simple to say thank you. But we used to never say thank you. We used to be like T-A-N-K, thank you.
What the hell?
Which I don't know how many tanks were we manufacturing, because there are a lot of tank oos over there.
Seriously?
And then there was also something as 10xxxxx, which nowadays it means something else.
चल झूठी.
If you know, you know. Alright, going to the next picture. Oh wow, this was the first traditional day that we had in Carmel College. This is my first year, so I look very nice. Okay, all 4 pictures that I showed you all previously are very nice, subtle, okay, normal, no nibbish pictures.
Hey!
And now let's go to the next picture. Please, no embarrassing pictures, please.
Seriously?
Okay, I just said no embarrassing picture, and I don't know what is this whole thing that I did. I remember this was for my birthday, and I took 4 of my friends for lunch, and I am chewing the fork. And I have an empty plate in front of me, and I don't know what am I chewing out of that fork. Censor. And I put a purple background, and I put 2 hearts, and I don't know why did I put those hearts, which make no sense. They are not even associating in any way to this picture, and it just looks stupid right now.
Bruh.
Next picture. I look like I'm come out of a horror movie, and the portrait that is hanging in the back of a horror movie. So when all the crosses and all turn upside down, so my portrait also turns upside down. This picture looks like that. I have no expressions. I'm blank. I look like a dead body, a soul. If you can call it. I don't know what it's called in Konkani. You can go and comment down as to what a soul is called in Konkani, because I do not know. And somebody said that to me the other day, and I was like, okay, that's weird, but now I know why. But of course, I had to share all this is because Varun Dhawan.
Wow.
I have to have him in every social media account of mine. Like, thankfully, on Instagram I don't have him, but I do post stories for him on his birthdays. And over here I have collages made for him. Wow, kya baat, kya baat, kya baat.
Oh no.
And it says, we create what we can't have. Oh my god, that is definitely so true. I just created something that I can't have, and that is Varun Dhawan. My next picture is... oh, again, I am chewing my finger and I do not know why. And this is Kavanas, and I remember I used to sit in Kavanas with my friends, and we used to watch Main Tera Hero over there because the laptop was mine, the movie was mine, my favorite actor is Varun Dhawan, and my friends had no other choice but listen to me and watch Main Tera Hero. And I'm wearing that flowery top, which I don't have it right now, but the pant, as you can see, I don't know, I'm wearing the pant which I have it in the picture. I'm literally wearing that pant right now.
Nice.
And I'm wearing chappals. Okay, I used to wear chappals when I used to go to college. Ew, next picture. I am a disco dancer. And I'm wearing the same top. And I have one comment.
A few moments later.
I don't know what to say to this, but I know this picture is clicked through Retrika.
Okay.
And during our time, I remember we have been like a trial phase for the cameras and all the filters and all the effects.
What the hell?
Alright? Like nowadays, if you see the 16-year-olds, they have like bomb-ass pictures. And during our time, we had like a 2 megapixel camera, and that 2 megapixel camera, luckily now it's come to like 48 megapixel or more than that, I have no clue. But during our time it was 2 megapixel camera, and we used to use Retrika as our filters. So this picture was clicked through Retrika, I remember, and then You Came Perfect. That had like the beautification mode on. If now I go to judge my pictures wherein I click those pictures with You Came Perfect, I look like one furniture that is polished, newly polished, and I was like glass, smooth skin and everything, very low blemishes, nothing I have, and I'm like, oh my god, like I literally clicked pictures with such filters. So you see, we have evolved from what pictures through what pictures. 10 years from now, if you ask a 16-year-old who will turn 26 and you ask them to react on their pictures, they'll be like, oh my god, I look fabulous in all my pictures. That is because, babe, you have had the best clarity phones and we have not. So we can completely make a fool out of ourselves, and we can make YouTube videos. Going to the next picture. Of course, my mandatory pose at that time.
Oh no.
One was this and one was my duck mouth.
Oh no.
Asha Dikuna, if you remember, you may be having all my pictures. At least I won't have those many pictures, but I'm sure you may be having all my pictures wherein I'm having that same facial expression, and it's not going to be changing.
Are you kidding me?
Thankfully, now at least I've changed my facial expression, which has kind of upgraded from this to now this. I still have the top, I still have that pant, and the shoes I don't have. But if you'll notice, I have a lot of my clothes, they kind of fit me.
Okay.
They do fit me, the kind of and all now. They actually fit me.
Really?
I had back then when I was 16 years old, and they still fit me now. So you see, no wastage of clothes, and I'm never throwing them out. Next picture is with a cat. And I'm using the Retrika filter again, and still the picture looks horrible and terrible. Retrika itself was of no use if you go to see. Even though it was a Maha filter at that time, it was of no use.
Okay.
Oh wow, I changed my pose. I'm like, and that time my teeth were like,
Oh yeah.
so I was like that. And I have 3 comments for that. And people said wow, and I'm like, thanks.
Whatever.
PNX. Oh, this was a very nice picture of mine during that time. Abhi nahi, lekin during that time it has 99 likes, which is a big deal for us at that time. Abhi to hame to 1500 likes milte hain aise hi, lekin at that time 99 likes was a thing, okay, and I have 7 comments for it. And somebody was like, "Oh lol, nice color and cute dress," and I'm like, "Thanks again." And you know my favorite color, you know, and she like, "Ha, same here, same color," and I'm like, "Lol." I was such a nibby back then. Abhi, if I had to do these things, I was surely getting roasted. But anyways, okay, yeah, the color is nice. It's lavender. Okay, it's a very nice color. At that time, purple was my favorite color, but now I like black. I had gone for a wedding, okay, and I told my aunt, please take a picture of me. She takes her phone and she clicks a picture, and I'm not even ready. I'm not even done, and she just turns and all because the bride and groom has come, and I'm like, chuck it. The picture's not in my luck, so assume. But anyways, it came kind of okay. It was not bad. It was good. It was good. Ooh. What a hottie. Oh, no. Somebody commented, why are you looking so confused?
What the hell?
And I'm like, that's because I don't know whom to dance with for the party. And he's like, oh god, and firstly, which party? My parents used to never allow me for any party. Ye kaun sa party hai ye? It was such a task convincing my parents at that time that I want to go out with my friends. It was such a task. I could not go anywhere. No day, no night, nowhere. And nowadays children, they're like clubbing and all. And I'm like, kash hamare parents maan jaate hain. LOL! What the hell is this supposed to be? Okay guys, this is not a promotional video, alright? I am not promoting for Jeevan Sathi or Shaadi.com or BharatMatrimony.com. This is a picture that I had clicked for the traditional day that I had shown you all previously, the sari I'm wearing. So this was a picture that I had clicked for that day. I look like some unicorn bangle holder back then, but I think it looked nice, so that's why I posted it. But no promotion here, huh? Now my next picture is this. It's like, you know, the song is there, call me when you want, call me when you need, call me in the morning, I'll be on my way.
Call me when you want, call me when you need, call me in the morning, I'll be on the way.
This person is waiting for the call. I'm literally waiting over here when the person will call me, and the person has not called me, and I'm like, call to kar bhai, call to kar. And back then, you know, nobody used to call us. Nobody used to call me, though nobody used to call on me. I should never talk to anyone on the phone. I used to feel so conscious when I used to talk on the phone and all. So yeah, I think this picture is kind of relating to that.
Oh no.
Alright, and somebody commented saying, love your nails, and I'm like, thank you, Ali. I done something new today. क्या बोलूँ मैं, क्या बोलूँ, निब्बी थी ना मैं. Next picture will be, I hope it is a nice normal picture at least. Of course not, it won't be. How can it be? It is Deirdre. It won't be a wonderful normal picture, but it was a wonderful picture. What a wonderful world with a pink background. And is that even pink? I don't know. No emotion on my face, nothing. I'm just sitting there like, call me when you want, call me when you need, call me in the morning, I'll be on my way, sort of. It's like here also I'm waiting for a call, and it's like nobody is even bothered to call me. So I was like, chalo time pass karte hain, photo खींचते हैं. Moving on to my next picture. LOL. कहा था ना मैंने कि ये पोज जरूर आएगा. आ गया. But I don't understand why, lol. Why the heart? And I don't know why all that fancy decorations I have all around my photos. First of all, the clarity is so bad, and then I have that decoration, all the decorations over it. Alright, now let's go to my next picture.
Okay.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me.
What the hell?
I don't know what I was doing here, but the duck face is definitely there. I don't know this hand gesture I have. I was drinking Sprite. I have a leaf in my hair. I do not know for what reason. And my hair looks good. And the picture also I think looks good because obviously it was clicked through Retrika. And Retrika was a big thing back then. Trial phase, of course. Firstly, on this picture, I got only 1 like. And of course, I had to show off that I had a DSLR, which again was not mine. It was my friend's, but show off karna banta hai na. So I had a DSLR and I clicked my own picture in the mirror. And this was my first DSLR mirror selfie.
Oh my god.
I don't know who I was looking at. I don't know who I was mesmerized by.
Okay.
But yeah. The t-shirt says, I am perfect, cute, smart, single and can't cook. And this t-shirt my mom had bought for me from Bombay. And she bought it is only because it says I can't cook. I'm this even now, okay? I was back then, 5 years then. And I'm 5 years now also, I'm the same thing. Kuch change kuch nahi hua hai. I can't cook till now, that's why I'm searching for a chef. And I think I'm going to end with this. I will definitely have a part 2 to this, reacting on my old Facebook pictures. Until then, if you all enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up now. Like the video, share the video to as many people as possible. And if in case again you all are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit on that bell icon so that you get notified every Sunday that my video is out. Until then, this is Deirdre and I'll see you all guys next Sunday. Bye bye. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It is at IamDeirdre7. Okay? I'll see you next time.
Págale, págale, págale. Que la de aquí, págale, págale.